Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. Professional mode gives you access to additional tools and features that can help you build an audience, understand your content performance, and grow your presence on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Next, go to your Facebook profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture or your name. Once you are on your profile, look for the three-dot menu below your profile information. Tap on the three dots to open your profile settings. Look for an option called Turn on Professional Mode. If you see this option, tap on it. Facebook will show you some information about professional mode and the features that will become available on your profile. Take a moment to review the information. When you are ready, tap Turn on or Turn on Professional Mode. Facebook may show you a confirmation screen. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the setup. Once professional mode is enabled, your existing Facebook profile will remain the same. Your friends, followers, and existing profile content will not be removed. You can continue using your profile normally, while also getting access to additional professional features. Depending on your account and location, you may have access to tools such as professional insights, audience information, and other creator features. You can also manage your profile settings and choose how people can follow you. After turning on professional mode, take some time to explore your professional dashboard. This can help you understand how your content is performing and learn more about the people who interact with your posts. Keep in mind that some professional mode features may not be available to every account. The available tools can depend on your location, account status, and Facebook's current requirements. If you do not see the Turn on Professional Mode option, make sure your Facebook app is updated and check your profile settings again. And that's it. You now know how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. Happy watching, and don't forget to subscribe.